Hi everyone, it's Lynn Smythe from the Creative Cottage. Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel today. I'm going to be going over this small bundle of gemstone pendants I just won in an online auction from ShopGoodwill.com. I've recently moved to a new location and this is my first time videoing in the new location, so apologies if I don't have the lighting and everything right. So these are just random gemstone pendants without any chains. So here's an example of a sodalite pendant I got in another bundle that I turned into a necklace. I have a lot of jewelry making supplies. Just added some sodalite beads, these little silver metallic beads, added a clasp. So I'm not sure if the pendants in this bundle if I'll be using in my own projects or you know, I do have a lot of chains, just plain chains in stock. These are like 18-inch, 18 karat gold plated chains. And then I have a lot of the jewelry making supplies, the chains, jump rings, split rings, and clasps. So I can make my own chains. But I think this is a 28-piece gemstone pendant bundle. All in, including shipping, handling, and tax, was around $67. So I'm in at about $2.40 per pendant. Not sure if I paid too much for this bundle or not, but we'll see. So I've got a few donuts. This is just some sort of, I guess, jasper. I'm not sure the exact type of jasper. That's real nice. And here's maybe a low grade labradorite. A little bit of flash, but not a lot. This is the type of thing I'll probably keep and use in my own jewelry making projects. But then the majority of the clasps either have the simple wire wrap with a few beads and the little loop for hanging, which I could add like a jump ring or a split ring and attach to this to a chain, or I could use it, you know, make a more elaborate piece, little beaded necklace like I did for this sodalite pendant. This, I'm not sure what this is. It's really pretty, kind of turquoisey blue and brown. When in doubt, is it a jasper or agate? If anybody knows this exact stone, let me know. When I go to list these, once I add a chain or whatever to them, I'll do like a Google Lens to see if it gives me any clue as to the exact gemstone. Then I have these two turquoise looking pendants, a little tiny one and a bigger one. I'm pretty sure this is not real turquoise. Looks like dyed howlite. I think that's what they usually use for the imitation turquoise. That could possibly be real turquoise, but it's such a little nugget. So that one's kind of cool. And I have a few of these that are like, is it the foil wrapped? And then you use the solder. This looks like some sort of Jersey quartz, sort of. It's got the crystals. You could wear it on either side. Kind of chunky. But I could put that on one of the gold tone chains. I also have these ribbon chains. It's like, I think it's 3 strands ribbon and a little nylon cord. This used to be in style years ago. I don't know if it's really that popular anymore. That's why I'm more inclined to use these pendants with either like a gold tone or a silver tone chain, or like I said, some of these pieces I might just make into beaded necklaces, some more elaborate pieces. This looks like some kind of dyed agate. It's very pretty. It's purple. So at first I was like, oh, is this some sort of amethyst? But I see all these bands. This looks more like agate to me. Yeah, again, you could wear it either side, but I think that will look good either on that gold tone, or that's a little too bright and shiny. I have to look in my stash. I might have more of the antique gold tone instead of the bright and shiny gold tone. Might look a little bit better for that pendant. So let me know in the comments, do you like bidding on this type of lot, like just miscellaneous pendants? I have, if you look at some of my older videos, I have some miscellaneous pendant bundles, and this one's like an all gemstone bundle. It's kind of fun. So there are quite a few that look like it could possibly be sterling, but I'm pretty sure they tested everything in this bundle and priced accordingly. This is just some sort of silver tone base metal, not actual silver. Don't know what that stone is. Could be, I don't know, kind of amethyst, but other colors in it. Very nice cabochon. This might be bloodstone. It's that dark green color. It looks like there might be flecks of red in it. And this little gold tone prong set finding. Again, a nice cabochon. And I can put that on one of those gold tone necklaces. This one, let's see, says some kind of marble from Ireland. I don't know, is it gonna focus? No? What's going on with my camera? Anyhow, it's just on a simple little satin ribbon. I guess you could use it like an ornament, or I could just cut this off, put a jump ring, and attach it to a chain. Haven't decided. Then I've got a couple of these foil wrapped druzy pendants. I think one is falling apart. Yeah, I think it's this one. See how the foil is kind of flopping around here. And I have some loose crystal, so I will not be able to use this piece, unfortunately. But this one looks okay. Kind of druzy quartz. It looks like it's been dyed. I don't think that hot pink color is natural. Yeah, that's fun though. And there were a couple that were on suede. I've already cut the suede off of a couple of them. This one I can't decide because the suede kind of looks beat up. So I'll probably cut the suede off this one too and attach it to a silver tone chain. Kind of a little peachy, like peach aventurine maybe. And let's see, kind of got this little triangle piece and this arrow shaped one. It's almost like picture jasper. And this one looks like they've added a bunch of different stones, kind of like the butcher block effect. Maybe that's real amethyst, and that could be lapis or sodalite. Don't know what else. Yeah, this is a big puffy heart. I'm thinking this is what, green aventurine possibly. And here's a classic wire wrapped pendant. This is copper colored wire. It's really cool. I don't think I have any copper colored chains. I do have copper colored clasps, but I don't think I have any chains. So I might do a beaded necklace for this, and then I can finish it with a copper jump ring or split rings on either side, and then some sort of copper clasp. Again, you could, I guess it's meant to be worn on this side. You could really wear it on either side. And then I got a couple of these druzy stones. This looks like kind of druzy agate that's been dyed blue, and that is not sterling. This some sort of silver tone metal. No, it's not magnetic. It really doesn't look like sterling to me. Let's put this over here. I only have a few more to go. Then I've got this really cool one. Another Jersey stone. It looks like very pale blue. Nice bezel set. Again, this looks like real kind of silversmithing, but the metal does not look silver. But I will test everything. But I'm pretty sure this bundle, the listing said they tested everything. And then I have 4, looks like amethyst pendants. 2 of my projects have amethyst beads. I've got a silver tone one and a gold tone one. Both are in need of a focal point, so this is probably perfect for the gold tone one. And then I've got 3 to choose from for the silver tone piece. Probably this one, because I think there's some fluorite beads. It's not just amethyst in my silver color project. So that's fun. Or I could sell a bundle of 4 amethyst pendants. And then I just have 5 pendants left to go. I've got this cute little tiger eye nugget. I could put on one of the gold tone chains or make one of my chains with all my jewelry making supplies. Then I've got this cool little agate pendant with a gold toned cap. This little nugget. These are so tiny, these last ones. I might bundle these all up and sell them in a bundle with 1 chain, and then you can, change out the chain to whatever pendant you're wearing. This one, I'm not sure if it's chipped. This is a cute little carved flower pendant, a little silver tone bale, but it looks like it might be chipped. I'm not sure if I can buff that out or not. And then the final pendant is this little nugget, a little rough cut cabochon. Again, some kind of jasper, silver tone metal, a little teardrop shape. So that's fun. Like I said, now I've got a lot of projects to keep me busy, whether I decide to put these on a gold tone or silver tone chain that I have in stock, or if I'll make my own gold or silver chains with some of my jewelry making supplies, or if I'll get a little bit fancier like I did in this piece and make it a beaded neck strap for the pendants. So thank you so much for watching. I will put links to my eBay and Poshmark stores at the top of this comment. And just reach out if you're ever interested in any of these pieces. But again, thank you so much for watching. Here comes my cat, ready to photobomb, so I think it's time to end the video. Say hello. This Miss Shadow. Shadow. Say hello. Now you can say goodbye. Have a great day.